Today we're shopping at one of my favorite stores, IKEA, and I'm sharing with you some of my favorite organization finds at IKEA. They have a ton of organization stuff here and it's all on a budget, so let's go shopping. So IKEA has these plate holders that are only $2.99, which these would be great for plate holders, but I have another idea for them that's going to be awesome for organization. One of my favorite things at IKEA are these resealable bags. They're only $1.99 for these super cute patterns. They come in a variety of sizes and colors. I'm really liking the blue ones. I wanted to show you guys this display they have out because they have a ton of cute organization over here. So these little crates down here are so cute. They're $4.99. They also have these little bamboo and glass organizers for $5. And you can see how cute they are up there, and they come in a variety of sizes. And I love that you can stack them. So here's a look at the bamboo organizers. So you can pick out the lid that you want, and then you purchase the glass separately. So you can kind of figure out, what kind of lid and glass situation you want. So one of the things I really like about the dry food containers is how slender they are. They're really compact, so if you have a small pantry like I do, these are great. These would be great for cereal. They would also be great for pet food. So overall, I just love these little glassware jars with the lids. I think they're so pretty. They come in a variety of sizes. I always get these for like little gifts. And then these are great too if you want to do spices. So I love that they have a variety of sizes. I think the one I probably get most often would be this one. And that one is $2.99. But all of the jars, I believe, are under $4. So I am super busy, so I love putting as many things in my life on auto ship as possible. That's why I love Thrive Market. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. Thrive Market is an online membership that makes healthy living easy and affordable. So why should you join Thrive Market? Thrive Market has a ton of organic and healthy living brands, and they don't have the retail markup. I'm going to show you what I picked up in my Thrive Market order. My kids are going to love these cauliflower stalks and sea salt. This is the brand from the ground up. These are cauliflower pretzels. We haven't tried these before. I'm really excited to try them. I love this brand of Kiss Me Face toothpaste for my girls. Thrive Market is the cheapest price I can find it at. Everything comes packaged so nicely. So one of the features that I love at Thrive Market is I can use their app. It's so easy. I just pull it up on my phone and I can easily order the things that I want. And if you sign up for auto ship, which I like to do so that I don't even have to think about what I'm ordering, you'll save an additional 5 to 10% off. So I love this Molly Suds laundry powder. And again, it's so affordable on Thrive Market, a lot cheaper than at the store. And of course, I couldn't forget Moose. I grabbed him some soft baked dog treats. Moose, treat. You want a treat? So orders over $49 are shipped for free, and Thrive Market loves giving back. So for every membership purchase, they're going to give a 1-for-1 membership to a low-income family in need. I love that. If you join Thrive Market today for all of your pantry essentials, you can use my link. You'll get 25% off your first order and a free gift. I want to show you the free gift that I got. It is a really cool water bottle. So an example of a really good deal that I've gotten on Thrive Market is this Aunt Fanny's hand soap refill. It retails for $13.99, but on Thrive Market, it's only $10.79. So I get this auto shipped to my house. I don't even have to think about purchasing soap. So when you go to the app or you use my link down in the description box, Thrive is going to take you through a personalized quiz to help give you recommendations based on your lifestyle. So if you join Thrive Market today, you'll get 25% off your first order plus a free gift like the one that I got. You can choose the membership terms that you want to go with. For me, I went with the 12-month annual membership because it came down to only $5 a month. But if you want to try it out, if you're not sure if Thrive's right for you, you can always do the monthly membership, and you can try the annual membership for 30 days risk-free. So when you go to thrivemarket.com/Liz Fenwick, you're gonna get 25% off your first order plus a free gift. So I'll leave everything linked for you down in the description box. All right, so here is an amazing deal. So you get 3 of these little containers for only 49 cents. Let's grab one of these. These are perfect little snack-sized containers. Love these. These would also be great for any kind of dip or dressing. So one of my favorite organization products has got to be this Wood Lazy Susan. Now I actually use this underneath my sink for cleaning supplies. Now this is $14.99, which is a little bit higher, but it's a pretty big size and it holds a ton of stuff. All right, so I'm over in the bathroom section. I wanted to show you guys my favorite trash can. This trash can is $9.99 and they have it in white as well. And it's a perfect little trash can for your bathroom, so inexpensive. So it looks like they have another version of that trash can. This one is $12.99. I love that little like dark camel color. Well, it's kind of more of a chocolate. And then they also have it in black. So if you have a boho style, here's an option for you. There's this little basket organizer and it's actually on sale for $9.99 and it's in this cool fabric. We actually use ours in our laundry room to store like extra things for the kids, like gloves and mitts, and then like my girls' little volleyball knee pads we put in there. So I love that it's stylish. So if you have an area where you want it to look really nice, like people are gonna see it, that's a great option. So I've actually used this IKEA pegboard system for years in my daughter's bedroom. It's really inexpensive. They have a larger one that is $16.99 and then the 2 smaller ones are $14.99. I actually have the 2 smaller ones in my daughter's bedroom. It's great for above a desk to kind of organize everything or display items you want out. They also have the pegboards available in like a wood finish, and a new style is this blue one. So when I tell you I'm obsessed with this next item, I'm totally obsessed with it. I use it every day to transport items to and from my home and my office. So IKEA has these storage totes. I actually have 2 of them in the tan. They also come in blue and black. They're only $7.99 and they're great for honestly anything. You could put laundry, toys, or you could use it like me to haul a bunch of stuff. So sticking with our inexpensive price tag, IKEA has these black shoe racks for only $4.99. So if you pick up 2, that's under $10 to organize your shoes. IKEA has recycling bins in 2 different sizes. So they have the really large ones that are $12.99. You can also get the smaller one for $9.99. So I went into Cricut Design Space and I found some images of different recycling things that I wanted to cut out. So I had paper and bottles and cans and glass. Then I sent those to my Cricut Joy and I'm gonna cut them out on a removable vinyl that I thought would look good with the white recycling bins that I had. Next, I'm going to weed out the images. Then I'll come in with some transfer tape to put these onto the front of the recycling bins. IKEA has this really inexpensive storage option that I love because it's stackable. So these black containers are $1.29 and they stack. So you can put them across each other like this. So I'm gonna pick up 4 of these to organize some things. All right, you guys, so these organizers are perfect for inside your desk, and I bought several of them my last trip here. They range between like 19 cents and $1.19, so I'll show you how I organize with them. So IKEA has their wood crates and 2 new finishes. So they have like this like almost light, like kind of whitewash look for $14.99. And then they also have a gray wash as well. These are pretty large crates, really cute. I think I'm gonna get the white one. So if you're looking for something that's eco-friendly, the Tenja storage boxes are eco-friendly. They're 80% recycled paper. So they have them in black. They also have this green and a white one as well. I'm gonna pick up this one. That's $3.99. My IKEA is out of these little canvas bags. I love these. I bought them a few months ago, and I'm going to show you how I use them in my craft room. Hopefully your IKEA has them in stock. So I had this blanket from Five Below, and I'm gonna cut off the fringe into tiny little pieces from this blanket. And then once I have them cut down to tiny little pieces, I'm then going to glue these onto the canvas containers in kind of a random pattern, just kind of alternating them. And I just put a bead of hot glue on the back. I did this on 3 of the sides. I thought these would make really cute little plant holders on the pegboard for my background. So I just added in some succulents from Dollar Tree. All right, you guys, I know this is an organization video, but I couldn't pass up showing you this really cool curved floor lamp. It's only $60, and then the lampshade is $14. So you could definitely change the lampshade, but I just thought it was really cool and affordable. These lights are great to put over like a big sectional couch in a corner, or kind of like an empty wall where you're wanting to fill up space, but don't necessarily want to put a print on the wall. So my goal is to get by the plant section with only buying 1 plant. I don't know if I can do it, but we'll see. Okay, I think this only counts as 1 plant since it's in, you know, an entire package. But I need a set of the cactus for my daughter's room. These flower boxes are really cute. This one is $14.99. And then they also have a larger one that's $24.99. All right, you guys made it to the warehouse. Now, I don't think I need any furniture today because we're just doing organization. I am gonna check the as-is section because sometimes they have good stuff in there. So let's go to the as-is section. I love this little outdoor sofa. I'm not a fan of the red color, but that could be easily painted. Let's see. Yeah, it's still $184. This is one of those 2 coffee table sets. I've been interested in this one, but I always thought it was kind of high, but that's a pretty good price to get the 2 tables. Looks like it just has some scratches on the side. They actually have some jars over here that would make great organization. And then it looks like they have their little spice jar set. But I don't need either of these, so I think we're gonna leave everything in the as-is section. Ooh, they do have this. They're little like hanging compartments. So you can definitely find organization in the as-is section as well. Let me know what your guys' favorite organization items are from IKEA down in the comments. I love to know what you try so that I can try it next. And maybe you saw an item today you want to buy. Let me know down in the comments as well. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I post 2 DIYs each week, and I'll link our last one here for you. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.